Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe to our page to receive all notifications, like and share with your friends. We would appreciate it. Today we've got a red 2014 International Prostar, manual 10-speed, 440,000 miles. We'll do a quick walk around and then hop inside. Got aluminum steers and aluminum drives, EPU. Please remember to check our website for all of our inventory. We post new trucks on there as soon as we get them. Getting new inventory in weekly. ExcelerateTrucks.com. Hop inside. And we got 440,647 miles on this truck. As you can see, it is a single bunk stand-up sleeper. Hop outside and roll the hood. Alright, again, that is a 2014 International Prostar manual 10-speed, 440,000 miles on the odometer, single bunk sleeper. This is a stand-up sleeper, but just a single bunk. Remember to subscribe to our page for all notifications. Please like and share with your friends. You can always check us out online at ExcelerateTrucks.com. Thanks for your time.